Uganda, hey, Uganda. You're sleeping, mama land. Wake up, hey. Wake up, mama land. Get up and wake up. Oh, Uganda, hey, Uganda. You're sleeping, mama land. Wake up, boy. Wake up, mama land. Yes, Uganda, how are you? How are you, everyone? This is Nubian Lee in person. Back on the scene, straight from Chitalia, straight from detention. We are here. We're not giving up. The more they try to stop us, the more we get farther. The more they try to weaken us, the more we get stronger. You can't cool fire. Yeah, man. You cannot cool the fire. Yes, fellow Ugandans and the citizens all over the world. It's me again. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees and pray. Help me, Father, pray. Yes, it's by the power of the mighty Lord that we are here. Even though the road is tough, even though everything is hard, but with the mighty Lord by my side, we shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. When deep in my heart I do believe we shall overcome someday. Yes, I want to take this moment just to give respect to the fallen soldiers. We have lost so many people along the way. And some have died because of the dictatorship. But right now, we're not here to talk about that. I'm here to address the issue of coronavirus. The virus is real. People are dying. Coronavirus is real, my brothers and sisters. We came out in the beginning and we tried to sensitize the people. Those who took our message, some people thought that it was for granted, but this is serious talk. Real talk. The virus is real. People are dying. So you need to put on a mask. Once you put on a mask, you're going to save a life. You're going to even save yourself from getting infected with the disease. So let's take the precaution of putting on face masks, keeping a distance. Just go on and listen to the song, the coronavirus alert. The coronavirus is killing. Can I come again? The coronavirus is killing over mankind.
Everybody must be alert. It's a global pandemic we can never take for granted. Everybody must be alert. It's a matter of life we can never take for granted. Discipline and personal hygiene, and make sure you regularly wear your mask. Keep a distance from everyone. Report everything like a symptom.
Serious fever. Wekuma obutabusiga. Wenjemu batanalwala. Olage omwoyo gw'eggwanga. Labira ku Italy. Abasinga bafunde. Okuwewala. Kisingako bujanjama. The coronavirus is killing over mankind. Everybody must be alert. It's a global pandemic you can never take for granted. Banange corona ali mukutta abantu. Bana Uganda, citizens of the world, this is real. The virus is here. Yes, this virus keeps on mutating. It's changing the way it's attacking the people. Before it used to attack people who were above 30, but now it's even coming for the little children. Between 10, in fact, between 8 up to the ages of 49. Now that is the danger, the age bracket which is in danger. So fellow Ugandans, don't take it for granted that coronavirus is only for the aged people. Even you young people, you young Ugandans, citizens of this world, citizens of Africa, you need to take the precaution. Yeah. I want to invite over His Excellency, the President.
Greetings,
Yeah,
greetings. First of all, I want to welcome my brother back.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, and welcome all the political prisoners, all the comrades. It's such a pleasure to have you back. At the same time, I want to commiserate with the families of our fallen comrades. Navagesera, we miss you. You were buried yesterday. All of us don't believe it yet. Our brother Minge just lost a father. Our comrade Honorable Narima just lost a brother. Abantu baffe bafa. Bannange mumanyi nti obulwadde bwa ddala. Bannange mwekuume mwambale mask as much as possible. But artists, keep the message going. Take it serious. Let's take it serious. This is a global pandemic. We cannot take it for granted. We can't afford to take it for granted. Take the message, spread the message. Abantu baffe babere safe. We can only save our people. Mumanyi, the challenges that we have in this our country, the government was talking so much about the COVID-19 pandemic because they were minting money out of it, because they were using it for political reasons, because they were borrowing a lot of money in your name, in my name, in all our names. And all that money, as you all are aware, was stolen, and now we are stuck. Our healthcare system, we had a whole year to refurbish it. Nothing was done. We had a whole year to get ready. Nothing is done. Now this wave is much more serious. It's more deadly than AIDS and Ebola combined. So it is us. We are on our own, like we've been saying. Take care of yourself. Make sure you prevent, because at least prevention is better than cure. Let's make sure that we are vigilant, brothers and sisters. I will be coming live on my page to communicate further, to share with you on a lot of things. But this time, I'm on Nubian's page. I wanted to steal this opportunity to communicate this to you. So come in, Nubian, talk to your people.
Abasinga bafunde okuwewala kisingako bujanjaba. The coronavirus is sweeping over mankind.
Everybody must be alert. It's a global pandemic we can never take for granted. Buli omu yebereremu. Everybody must be alert. It's a matter of life we can never take for granted. Buli omu yebereremu.
The coronavirus is sweeping over mankind.
Everybody must be alert.